Deposit. Here are a few ways making a deposit. Number 1 is by bank draft. Number 2, certified check. Number 3, wire transfer. We do not take the following for deposit: cash, email transfer, and personal check. You have to get client's account information while you get deposit from client. Account number, account holder's name, account type such as saving, checking, and line credit. Payment from bank account. If the deposit is from your buyer's name, then FinTrack your client, no matter what. If the bank draft is from the client's spouse, parents, or even friends, you have to FinTrack them as well. The deposit cannot come from buyer's agent because that would consider against the council rule and may be considered money laundering. Date of calculation for paying deposit. If the subject removal date is on a Friday, January 4th, then upon subject removal, that means you have to pay on or before January 4th. Within 24 hours, then you have to pay on or before January 5th. Within 1 business day, then you have to pay on or before January 7th. Deposit term. You can say deposit will be paid by bank draft within 1 business day from the final subject removal date, or deposit will be paid by bank draft upon the final subject removal. Number 3, deposit will be paid by bank draft. The total deposit amount is X amount. X amount will be paid upon acceptance or subject removal, and X amount will be paid upon subject removal or a certain date. And number 4 is deposit will be paid by bank draft within 24 hours from the final subject removal date, but do not use it alone. You should also say not including public holidays and weekends. Interest-bearing deposit. The minimum requirement is $5,000, 45 days, completion of term deposit form by client, and processing fee will be applied, usually from $50 to $100. No agent should accept funds from the client, then issue personal check or bank draft from their own account and pay to the brokerage on client's behalf. This will be strictly prohibited. Deposit must be delivered to the brokerage ASAP after picking up from client, delivered to deposit box after hours. Email a copy of the bank draft to the other party and make sure they receive it so they know you got the deposit on time. Notify the manager ASAP if you do not receive deposit according to the contract date. Then this could trigger a collapsing deal.